Hey guys, when you come to the Fix by iCity Repair, you can expect exceptional service. And of course, we're gonna treat your phone as if it's our phone.
As the newest member here, the team is really stressed greeting you in a timely manner, as well as giving you a free diagnostic within minutes. Once we figure out what's wrong, we normally take about an hour to fix the issue, and we'll give you a call when your device is ready to be picked up. We have all the accessories you'll ever need, from cables to the actual charging port that you plug into the wall. We have tempered glasses. We have 3 different kinds available for you, so you can pick the one that best suits you. We also do a very nice job at putting on tempered glass with no bubbles. We really take our time with it. Even if there's a little piece of dust that gets caught underneath, we lift up the glass and remove it. And then if you buy a case, we put the case on for you. When we give you your device back, you can expect it to be super clean, to be working flawlessly, and if you do have an issue, there is always a warranty.
We're always here for you. We're open 7 days a week, no appointment necessary. Just come on in, and I hope to see you soon.
We're located inside the Bridgewater Commons Mall 7 days a week. If you want to park by the Cheesecake Factory and Uncle Julio's, walk straight in and we're directly under the escalator.